This video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online just by watching TV. That is the best thing in the world because many of the people love to watch TV and you could be making some good money with it. This is going to be really interesting. So keep watching this video till the end because I'm going to show you how you can make some good money just by watching television. So you can come to this website which is known as tv2.com. Okay, this is one of the best website which pays you money to watch TV. Okay, now the best thing is that you can download it on your iOS device or your Android device, so you could be making money with your smartphone just by watching TV, as well as you can see they are paying you money for this. And that is the best thing because not any company is gonna pay you for watching TV, as well as entrepreneur Forbes, all these companies are working with this website, and that's the reason why it is a trusted company, and that's the reason why you could be making some good money from this website. You can see you have to just watch videos over here on this platform or download it to your smartphone and watch it. Okay, you can earn cryptocurrency from that. That is the best thing because once you have cryptocurrency in your wallet, its value increases every single day, and that is the best thing. Okay, because not there is any currency. If you have $1 today, tomorrow its price is going to be $1, but if you have one Bitcoin in your wallet today, then tomorrow it can be worth $200 if it is $100 today. That is the best power of cryptocurrency, and this is one of the way where you can get entertained, as well as you can also earn some good crypto income online. That can be one of the very rewarding thing which almost every one of you can do. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of people who are tweeting about this, and they are providing information about this, that they got paid from this website, and that is the best thing. Okay, not any other website has all these testimonials of the people who really watch TV and make money. Okay, it is simple, it is easy, and almost most of you will be able to do it easily. All you need to do is click on this Android, or you can also click on the iOS one which is over here, or you can also click on the iOS if you are having an iPhone. Okay, then you just need to download this application to your iOS device or your Android device. Okay, you just need to click on the sweet install button, and then you can just start watching TV and earn rewards of this, which is one of the best thing in the world, and you will be paid in Bitcoin or Ethereum, whichever you choose. Now you can create a Bitcoin or Ethereum wallet in Coinbase. Okay, so it is simple, easy, and almost every one of you can easily do this stuff and really make some money because it is entertainment which you are already enjoying very much, as well as this is the way of earning some money and also getting entertained, because everyone in the world loves watching TV, and you could be making money just by doing that very simple thing, that is watching TV. How good is that? It's a dream come true for many of the people who really want to make money online without putting in any big efforts. That can be one of the best way to earn some money. So definitely jump on it and start doing this stuff so that you can make some real income online as soon as possible, and so that you can live the life of freedom. You can see it has got 4.7 stars, and that is really awesome. Very less applications on Google Play Store get this high rating, so it is legit, it works, and it pays you money. What else you need in your life? You are gonna getting paid for even watching TV, and that's the best thing. Okay, so definitely go download this application to your Android smartphone or to your Apple smartphone and start making money as soon as possible. And if you got some value out of this video, smash the like button. Okay, here is the like button. Okay, smash it, as well as also smash the subscribe button which will be appearing down below. Okay, also we'll see you in the next awesome video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching our awesome video.